So to start out this look, I'm going to begin with the Brow Factor Longwear Eyebrow Gel in the shade Cocoa. And I'm going to place a pea-size amount right on the back of my hand and start filling in my brows. I'm going to start in the areas that are a little bit more sparse than others. Next, I'm going to carve out the bottom of my eyebrows right here with a flat brush and the multi-use perfecting concealer. I'm going to take a little bit of the concealer and put it on the back of my hand and start outlining the bottom line of my brows. This concealer blends so nicely underneath the brows that it literally looks like my skin. Now we can move on to the next step. So I'm going to be using the No Filter Poreless Base Primer. It's so pretty, it's like a disco ball. And I'm gonna take about 2 pumps and a foundation brush and apply it in the areas where I have the largest pores. It literally looks so smooth. Look, you can already see the difference. Check that out. And it controls my oil throughout the day so I don't sweat off my makeup. Alrighty, so our skin is all prepped and I'll be using the Waka Like This Flawless Base Foundation, and I got shade 105. This foundation does have a nice little pump right here, so I'm gonna take about 2 pumps using the little foundation brush and start applying it in different areas. This foundation is literally so easy to blend. I was a little skeptical about taking the power match quiz, but after filling out just a few questions, that was it. They literally got my shade like spot on. Now I'm going back with the multi-use perfecting concealer and I'm gonna place some right underneath my eyes. I'm gonna start by applying some right here on the nose, right here on the forehead, on the cupid's bow, and on my chin. This concealer is literally so easy to blend and it gives a lot of coverage. Thank goodness for this concealer because it makes it look like I slept all night. And it matches the foundation that I have underneath it perfectly. So that way I get like that perfect skin on camera. It's time to bronze up our face. I'm gonna take the Mineral Baked Bronzer in shade Waka Waka and I'm just gonna press into it a little bit. And I'm gonna apply it at the bottom of my cheekbones. Then I'm gonna bring it up to my forehead and down to the bottom of my chin. I'm gonna use a smaller brush and do a little bit of nose contour. I'm gonna take the bronzer and I'm gonna line the center of my nose right here in the straightest line and do the same on the other side. Looks a little bit more straight and a little bit more narrow. We're gonna go in with the Mineral Baked Highlighter in shade Good as Hell, and I'm gonna use a really small pointed brush and dip into it. Then apply it right here at the bridge of my nose and at the tip of my nose. Since we already have the highlighter, we can finish highlighting the rest of our face. This is my favorite part. I'm gonna go right here on the tops of our cheekbones, right where the light hits it. I'll lightly brush it on. And then I'm also gonna add that highlight right underneath the brow bone. So we're gonna place a little bit above. And then I'm gonna place some on the cupid's bow, some on the chin. So this is the Color Boss Suad, and this is the palette called Hustler. So we have a gorgeous black and sparkle shade over here, 2 silvers on the top, and a little bit of a charcoal gray. I'm gonna dip into the shade Forbes and apply it all over my lid. I'm gonna go into the shade Notorious using a piece of paper to help guideline. I'm gonna angle this right here, and I'm gonna add eyeshadow just to the outside corner of my eye. Then when I'm done, take the paper away, and I have a nice sharp edge. Then I'm gonna take a small brush and dip into the shade Wanted right here, the black sparkly one. Ooh, it's so pretty. And I'm gonna take the piece of paper again, line it up, and add it to our outer corner. Next, I'm gonna use our flat brush and our concealer again, but this time we're gonna cut our crease. I'm gonna put it right here, and then look up, and then back down, and my line formed. I'm just gonna follow that line. Then I'm gonna use the highlighter dust in the shade Sattin and start applying it all over where we just did our cut crease. And then I'm gonna apply some right underneath my brow bone. Now it's mascara time, so I'm gonna be using the Icon High Volume and Intense Curl Mascara. Before we put the false lashes on top, I'm gonna go in with the Inkliner, and I'm gonna use this to put an inner corner wing. So you can see that angle matches that inner corner angle, and now I'm just gonna make a little triangle. Now that our eyes are done, we can move on to the lips. So I'm going to be using the waterproof lip liner in shade Coffee. I like to overline just a little bit and bring it on the top. And this lip liner helps my lipstick stay all day. And then for the actual lip color, I'm going to be using the Infinity Longwear Matte Lip Cream in shade Matte Glory. I really love this lipstick formula. I feel like it's super hydrating and it stays on throughout the day, and it also is non-transferable. So last but not least, we're going to use the Hydrating Setting Spray. Alrighty, so here's the final look. hope you enjoyed this tutorial today, and I hope to see you again soon.